tunnel. Huh? Rattlesnake? Did you see the spiders? Yeah, that big gray one. Yeah. You saw it. Yeah, boy. Now we won't better get anybody else to go through the tunnel. Good.
Smaller numbers.
Huh.
Oh, these are promotional videos. Oh, they're bikes behind me.
Oh, bikes.
Let's pull it on over.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I want to get on the side without the cliff. Over here. This side's safer. We're less likely to go over the edge.